Hello, it's me, Stephen from Langmaster Learning System. Welcome back to our Langmaster collection. In today's lesson, we'll learn some phrases with some of the most common prepositions. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Of. Ashamed of. Ashamed of. Afraid of. Afraid of. Ahead of. Ahead of. Aware of. Aware of. Capable of. Capable of. Confident of. Confident of. Doubtful of. Doubtful of. Fond of. Fond of. Full of. Full of. Hopeful of. Hopeful of. Independent of. Independent of. Nervous of. Nervous of. Proud of. Proud of. Jealous of. Jealous of. Guilty of. Guilty of. Sick of. Sick of. Scared of. Scared of. Suspicious of. Suspicious of. Tired of. Tired of. Terrified of. Terrified of. 2. For. Available for something. Available for something. Anxious for. Anxious for. Bad for. Bad for. Good for. Good for. Convenient for. Convenient for. Difficult for. Difficult for. Late for. Late for. Liable for something. Liable for something. Dangerous for. Dangerous for. Famous for. Famous for. Fit for. Fit for. Well known for. Well known for. Greedy for. Greedy for. Good for. Good for. Grateful for something. Grateful for something. Helpful or useful for. Helpful for or useful for. Necessary for. Necessary for. Perfect for. Perfect for. Prepare for. Prepare for. Qualified for. Qualified for. Ready for something. Ready for something. Responsible for something. Responsible for something. Suitable for. Suitable for. Sorry for. Sorry for. 3. From. To borrow from somebody or something. To borrow from somebody. To demand something from somebody. To demand something from somebody. To dismiss somebody from something. To dismiss somebody from something. To dismiss somebody or something from. To dismiss something from. To draw something from something. To draw something from something. To emerge from something. To emerge from something. To escape from. To escape from. To hinder somebody from something. To hinder somebody from something. To protect somebody or something from. To protect somebody from. To prohibit somebody from doing something. To prohibit somebody from doing something. To separate something or somebody from something or somebody. To separate something from somebody. To suffer from. To suffer from. To be away from somebody or something. To be away from somebody. To be different from something. To be different from something. To be far from somebody or something. To be far from somebody. To be safe from something. To be safe from something. 4. About. To be sorry about something. To be sorry about something. To be curious about something. To be curious about something. To be doubtful about something. To be doubtful about something. To be enthusiastic about something. To be enthusiastic about something. To be reluctant about something. Or to something. To be reluctant about something. To be uneasy about something. To be uneasy about something. 5. With. To be angry with somebody. To be angry with somebody. To be busy with something. To be busy with something. To be consistent with something. To be consistent with something. To be content with something. To be content with something. To be familiar to or with something. To be familiar with something. To be crowded with. To be crowded with. To be patient with something. To be patient with something. To be impressed with or by. To be impressed with. To be popular with. To be popular with. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then like, share, and subscribe to our channel to watch more helpful videos. And if you're looking for a suitable English course, leave your phone number and your email address in the comment box below. One more time, I'm Stephen from Langmaster Learning System. I'll see you in the next video.